To enhance depth and atmosphere, you can enable fog directly from the root settings in the Properties panel. Open the Fog Type drop-down. Choose Linear to define an exact minimum distance where the fog starts and a maximum distance where objects fade completely. Alternatively, select Exponential. This uses a single density value to gradually increase thickness over distance. Remember to use very small values to maintain visibility. Finally, adjust the fog color to match your scene's ambiance, giving you full control over the cinematic mood of your virtual space.